Imagine how it would be, when there are no limits. So you can discover places that you hardly knew they exist. How will it happen? You will see an interesting place in your own net. You will contact person or company directly, make simple reservation, and pay directly from your wallet. Since you will have time and money freedom, you will be able to go whenever you want. You will be able to explore new places that you have never visited before. Travel. Try out new exciting things. Adventures, and taste delicious local food. Food. You will be able to take pictures, make videos. Connect. That you will simply edit using your own service. Capture. Send it with post the same second, so they will be able to experience what is possible. Not only that, imagine what opportunities of new technologies will bring you. For example, blockchain in tourism and real estate. You will actually be able to own a tiny portion of a hotel or an apartment. And every time someone uses these facilities, you will get paid residual income the same second when it is paid. How amazing is that? Join this amazing opportunity and start exploring for yourself. Visit Slovenia and many other beautiful places in the surroundings, like Croatia, Montenegro. Not only to see nice places but also to meet members from our family.